Hello, my friend. Keenith here with Team Legacy. Glad you landed here on the video. Today, I'm going to talk about something that just was launched with our One Marketplace endeavor. It's called the Click to Build app. And this is pretty cool because this will help you follow up. I'm quite sure you've heard the term, the fortune is in the follow up. So, sometimes it's hard to follow up. Some people don't know what to say, that kind of thing. They don't know, how to stay consistent in following up. Because normally a person needs about 6 exposures before they make a buying decision. So most people don't do the first follow up. So that's a real issue. So what the Click to Build app does is connect your inbox, and it will design a 90-day campaign of follow-up emails. And of course, since it's hooked up to your primary email address, it looks normal, like it's somebody that they know. You see, so it will use AI to create this 90-day game plan emails that'll be sent out, and you can control everything. You can make changes as the email go out. You may want to add a little something, but all you have to do is add a little start to initiate the AI by saying, what if you met the person at Starbucks? You say, hey, this is Keenith. We met at Starbucks, and I just wanted to follow up about the great the gas tablets from Blaze. And once you enter that information, the system takes over, the AI, and it will create 90-day sequence emails for you. So you don't have to think about what to say, okay? The AI does it all right? And all you got to do is add the person's name and their email address to the Click to Build app, and it will take over from there. Is that powerful? Now, what's very, very, very powerful about this also is this product right now is on sale. We haven't launched yet. We'll be launching May 2nd, and it's going to be phenomenal, guys. This is just the beginning. So you want to take action now, okay? Get involved now, since you have a tool that can now help you follow up with leads that you may, talk to someone, or you may meet someone on social media, and we can help you with those kind of things to generate leads. So you enter those into the Click to Build and let it do the work for you, okay? It will do the follow-up for you, okay? But when we add this, I'm going to add it so I can show you. Okay, I'm going to click Add to Cart. And what's really powerful about this, folks, you see that $13.95 that you would pay each month for this particular tool? Well, when I check out, and something, again, I talked about it in my other videos, the smart dollars. Guys, again, smart dollars are like free money. And you earn these as long as you stay in the program. You're paying, your monthly, $14.95 or $99, whichever you are, Smart Shopper Pro. You're going to start to earn these smart dollars. And again, smart dollars are like real cash that you can spend inside of One Marketplace, okay? So here you can see I will pay $13.95 if I use my debit card or credit card. But since I have smart dollars, I'm able to purchase this with my smart dollars. Is that powerful? Man, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase this, and go ahead and add my email address and start sending this out to a couple folks, and allow the AI tool to do the follow-up for me. Again, the fortune is in the follow-up. Now we have an awesome tool called the Click to Build, and it will help you do so. So this is Keenith signing out. Just want to give you a little update. Guys, if you want to plug in now, get involved today. Timing is everything. Trust me on this. Timing is everything. So you can't say you didn't hear it. Now you've heard it, so you can't unhear, okay, what you just heard. So go ahead and get involved. You want to get involved, visit the website on the screen there. Visit that website, and then get involved. If you need to contact me with any questions, you have an email address, just let me know. I'll take care of that, okay? So until the next video, Keenith signing out. Later.